Hello, I'm John from Taiga Coolers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a broken or damaged latch on an 88 quart cooler and replace it with a new one. The tools required to do this are going to be a Phillips head screwdriver or a drill motor, a pair of needle nose pliers, and a replacement T-latch. In order to get at the latch, you're going to have to open the cooler lid. The T-latches are held in place by this plate, Phillips head screwdriver, remove the two screws that hold the plate in place, slide the plate out, and with your needle nose pliers, you're going to have to turn that aluminum pin and you're going to have to pull it out. So you have the latch that's held by the pin. Take the old one out, put the new one in, slide the pin through it, and just reverse the process. Push that pin back up toward the top. Slowly work the latch back into place. Once that pin is back in place, replace the plate back in that holds that aluminum pin. Return the screws. And the latch is replaced. Thank you.